Hello world, Jennifer here. Today's project is we're going to put a pet door into the back door of the garage so Rhett Butler can get in and out. Since the weather has turned cold, we've been having to leave the other door in the front of the garage, the other pass door in the front of the garage open so Rhett Butler can get in and out. When Rhett Butler can get in and out. With the colder weather, we've tried not to keep the door open, lets the garage and things and the living space up above the garage get too chilly. So here's going to be quite an adventure of installing the pet door in the steel door here. It is a steel door, so this should be an interesting video of getting and installing the pet door in this pretty sturdy steel door. It's not a solid steel door, it's just a typical big box store steel exterior door. So I certainly do have, I believe, enough equipment and saws and blades to cut my way through this thing. And then the fun part is going to be training Rhett Butler to get through the door, in and out, since he's so used to using the front door. I've closed the front pass door, and he's sitting out on the little deck out there, kind of looking discouraged of why I won't open the door. I'm trying to get him already a little trained to come around the back, and we can maybe leave a little trail of cat goodies to get him in and out and getting used to going through the pet door. It's a pretty good size pet door, so that Rhett Butler won't be afraid of going through here. What do we got here? We've got like 9 by 14. So I think Rhett Butler can fit himself through a 9 by 14 door. He hasn't gotten that large yet. So even though Rhett Butler seems to be growing, no matter what we do here, keeps piling down the food and keeps getting to be a bigger cat. So I got the helmet. With the helmet cam here. I'm trying to get some footage with that. I get a little time lapse going and some helmet cam stuff. I don't like the strap that came in the GoPro accessory kit that I bought just on my head. Gets in the way of my hair clip, makes a mess of my hair, even though my hair is frizzed out bad enough today. So we're just going to do the helmet cam thing, which I think kind of works out, so I kind of find it more comfortable. So I got to also remember to keep the clips on that camera short. They seem to have some sort of software screw up where it makes an endless directory tree if I go over 17 minutes, but that's a technical issue. Also, you may see some interesting editing stuff in here because my regular editing software is still not working correctly, so I'm still using the freeware. So we'll hope this all works out and gets going pretty good. All right, let's get going on this project, get you in time lapse, and now there's some helmet cam stuff going on, and get this cat door installed. Pet door, cat door, whatever you want to call it. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.
All right, let's see here. I got my drill on the floor there. Okay. I got my basic frame here. Okay. Got my heater going. This should be interesting due to the fact that the door has the panels in it, I think they call those. So we'll see how that comes along. But we have large, small, medium, and large. Okay. I think medium, that's what I thought. Okay. Huh? Outside, just complete. Come on. Don't give me no lip. This product will not prevent unwanted animals or people, including small children, from passing through the pet door. Radio Systems Corporation will not be liable for those unintended users, and the purchaser of this product accepts full responsibility for oversight of the opening it creates. Homeowner. Well, they should say installer. That the thing puts there. I got the magnetic thingy. Alright, we'll have to see how Rhett Butler handles that. But that's life. Alright. Actually, I think that would work out pretty good. Instead of taking out the center, take out the side here. Yeah. And I go low enough where I only have that problem up there. But otherwise, I'm smooth all the way around. Yep. Much. That definitely works out. Medium. Who needs a pair of scissors when they got a good blade? That's what I need. That's what I need. Let me get back there. All right. Thanks, sleeve. Didn't appreciate that at all. Yeah, any framework down here in the bottom should be good. Okay, let's see if we can have this squared up at all. Okay. Stop shaking. Okay, not bad. Yep, who needs a jigsaw? And we've got a sawzall. Little leaf litter, no problem. All right. Oh, the heater's running again. Little body work there. Never hurt. Okay. All right. So I like my extension cord with the multiple ends. There. It's somewhere with this. Oh, I hate the stench. Oh, the insulation they use in these stinks. Stinks just like the stuff they used to use in the garage doors I used to install and fix for a living. Okay. care, I don't care. Nice. Ha. Ha. I didn't think I had worse of a mess. Ha. Oh, I'm gonna itch. Crap. Oh, that insulation garbage. Oh, okay. Now, get some tools. Start a fresh file. Okay, 6 is done. 7. Pull up to adjust flap. Push the flap all the way up so the magnet sticks the least. Yeah, we may take that bottom piece off. But now, cut the groove size of plastic to equal the thickness T of your door plus 7/8. Inch and 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 5/8. Stuff. Fine. You want to be tough stuff? I'll give you tough stuff. 1, 2, 3. There. I'll give you a pair of tin snips. Hold my bag. Hold on. Software. Not so hard hardware. Plastic. No, we love the world of plastic. Okay, yes, this has got to be the outside because the hinges are on the other side and the doorknob is all off. Okay. So we take a plastic screw like that. We drop a nut in like that. And the big question comes, do I have to widen out my hole a little bit? No. Oh, that's probably why their screws are plastic. Yeah. There we are. I'm gonna probably have to go find another number 6 screw. Yep. All right. That's the inside. Okay. Fit the outside frame into cutout opening, place thread plastic screw holes in frame, secure with hex nuts, do not over tighten, cut off extra with wire cutters, caulking is optional around frame. After you have cut, fill up the other with wood strips to make your surfaces even. That's why I did that. Little caulk there. When the weather warms up and such. Yeah, we'll go find some caulk or something to shoot into there. Okay. Alright, found myself some caulk. See if we can pump this sucker. Full of some caulk. Seal the top. There we are. Well, this sucker's heavy. Alright. At least I got a doorknob to hang on to. Ooh. All right, that's it. Doors rehung. Seems to work pretty good. So life is all right.